A U.S. judge is ordered to unseal grand jury records from the probe of Ghislaine Maxwell.
And it's the accomplice of convicted sex offender Jeffrey Epstein. While such records are generally kept secret, the judge agreed to release them, citing a bill that President Trump signed just last month.
Now, the bill requires that the Justice Department release all records regarding Epstein. U.S. District Judge Paul Engelmeyer said that the grand jury material in the case would not reveal new information of any consequence. Maxwell was convicted of federal sex trafficking charges, including conspiracy to entice minors to travel, to engage in illegal sex acts, participation in a sex trafficking conspiracy, and sex trafficking of a minor. She is serving a 20-year prison sentence for the same.
Congress passed a law last month ordering the Justice Department to release all of its records related to Epstein. Epstein pleaded guilty in Florida in 2008 to a state charge of soliciting a minor for prostitution. The wealthy financier was arrested again in New York in 2019 on charges of sex trafficking of minors, and he died while in pre-trial detention that same year, and his death was ruled to be a suicide.
And for more on the controversy over strikes on the alleged drug boats, our correspondent Susan Tehrani has sent us this report from New York City.
A federal judge has cleared the way for the Justice Department to publicly release investigative materials from the Ghislaine Maxwell sex trafficking case, a major development in the long-running effort to bring transparency to the Jeffrey Epstein network. This is now the second judge to grant such request. A Florida judge last week allowed the release of transcript from a previously abandoned federal grand jury investigation into Epstein from the 2000s. One more ruling is still pending on whether records from Epstein's 2019 case will also be unsealed. So what's next? The DOJ is expected to begin rolling out these documents in batches, which could shed new light on Epstein's network, potential accomplices, and past failures by federal authorities with significant political, legal, and public trust implications. How much of it will really be made public? We'll have to wait and see. Susan Tehrani reporting from New York for WION The World this one.